What's going on, mi gente? Mi gente, what's going on, man? Your boy out here gonna go skydiving. Yeah, y'all see the Mustang in front of me? But in the V6, he been trying to make me race him all this time. Nobody got time for that. But yeah, hey, your boy gonna go skydiving, man. That's been part of my plan for quite some time. And shit, now I'm gonna do it. Gotta pull the trigger and do it, you know what I'm saying? Shit. I seen something where Will Smith was talking about he went skydiving, and the day before he was stressing out about it. I'm like, I haven't even thought about it. I booked it, and that's it. So now we're gonna find out when it's time to really get in that plane and jump up out of there, you know? Shit, but I'm gonna keep y'all posted. So I got a 2-hour drive. I gotta go to Titusville, and I'm jumping out of the plane at, what is it, 15,000 feet? I think 15,000 feet, so yeah, that's up there. Woo, all these airplanes crashing, I'm trying to jump out on one. Shit crazy, huh? But y'all stay tuned. I'm gonna get a little updates as I get there. I gotta hurry up and make moves, because I gotta get there before 9, so I'm gonna keep y'all posted.
2 hours later.
I just got off the exit. And now I'm cutting through the city to go to my location, and man, my heart just dropped. Now I feel my nuts done curled up and everything. Now I feel the nervousness, boy. I'm starting to feel it now. But I'm gonna give me some breakfast from Wendy's real quick. That should make me feel good. Wendy's breakfast in the morning, Wendy's, right? In the morning, eat Wendy's. Oh. I'm here. I'm gonna eat my breakfast real quick. I'm in the bathroom. I guess I'm starting to feel nervous. You better never eat Wendy's breakfast? Well, that ain't good, bro. Got my orange juice. Plane's out here, but that plane don't work, ain't got no motor on it. I wonder what the plane I'm jumping on. Maybe over there. I don't know if all these cars are part of it or what. Let me finish up. I'm gonna get back to y'all.
Oh, here's.
Nobody's screaming.
This is Lex. That's Lex.
That's good, right?
Is it? Yeah. That was Lex.
Sometimes it's worth the win.
Is it? Yeah. That was Lex.
Sometimes it's worth